Hey folks, Paul Abernathy here. One of the questions that I get asked a lot is if I'm pulling conductors in a raceway and I damage the insulation, what do I do about that? Well, if you contact a manufacturer, when they supply you with wire, it's not damaged. So if it gets damaged in the field during your installation, it's really pointless to contact the manufacturer because the manufacturer doesn't warranty that. Most of all manufacturers will warranty workmanship for a year. They don't warranty your installation or your use and application in the field. So, if you're pulling conductors in a raceway and you don't use proper bushings, you don't set up your pull properly, and for some reason you damage the insulation, and you contact a manufacturer, chances are the manufacturer are going to give you some advice, but you're on your own. For example, if the damaged conductor is inside of a cabinet, well, then really there's no harm there because the lugs that it terminate onto are exposed anyway, right? So you could probably wrap that with electrical tape and that'd be okay because it's inside of an enclosure. Now, if the insulation is removed and it shows the bare material, whether it's copper or aluminum, and you plan on pulling that in a raceway, then that's a problem because there is no fix for that from a manufacturer's standpoint. You have removed the insulation. So now you're installing a product that is damaged. Now, as an electrician, it is your decision to whether or not you want to wrap it, want to use a third-party product to protect that damage. And I say protect that damage because that is now the weak link in that installation. If you're going to be pulling those conductors in raceways underground, then you know you're going to get moisture in there. And you're only as good as your fix on that damaged conductor. So take that into account. But again, it's not the manufacturer's responsibility when you damage a product during your installation because there are ways that you can set up that installation to ensure that you do not damage those conductors, right? If you're simply pulling them off a reel and you're setting up your reels properly, you're pulling them into raceways, you have proper bushings, you take into account the actual sides of the enclosures, that the conductors aren't going to get pulled across sharp edges. Take a little extra time to ensure a good installation, then you're not going to have those issues. But remember, you damage it, then there's really no fix for it that a manufacturer can give you any insight on. So you can reach out to us and we'll give you some insights, some thoughts, things to consider. But at the end of the day, you damage it, you own it. You have to make the decision whether or not you want to install it.